Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your NUBIA Z70 Ultra if you don't remember the screen lock. If you don't remember the screen lock, you may want to factory reset your phone so it will erase all data of your phone, but you'll be able to just recover your phone because you just don't remember the password. So to do it, you need to first shut down your phone. So press and hold on the power button, then click on power off, click on it again, and now wait a moment until your device fully powers off. And now you'll need to press on the power and volume up button simultaneously so it goes into recovery mode. So here you have the power button and the volume up button, and press and hold on them. When the NUBIA logo shows, you can release them. And now it will show you the recovery mode. You can either set it to, and to wipe the data, you need to use the volume keys to move to wipe data, then click on the power to select it, then click on power again to confirm, then go up with the power with the volume key, click on power key to reset. Now the data wipe complete, so you can go down to back to previous page, and then you can just reboot the system. So click on the power key, and now this reboot will take a bit longer than it usually does, and then the phone will be reset. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.